Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. Today we will discuss about the inductance, and my name is Mr. Hardis Kumar, branch electrical engineering, subject electromagnetic field, topic inductance. So first of all we discuss inductance. Inductance where whenever electrical charge are in the motion, then a magnetic field is created. If a current is passing through the wire, then there is said to be magnetic field about a wire. The strength of magnetic field is denoted by H, and it is originally defined by the coulombs. So inductance is generally basically ability to store energy in the magnetic fields, in which case inductance represented by the letter of this symbol L. The unit of inductance is Henry. Measure of the unit. Here basically inductance two type. First of all self inductance and mutual inductance, right? So magnetic inductance, in which case before define the magnetic inductance, the symbol of inductance, this L, this is the coil type. So the inductance, it is the storage energy in magnetic, but we will study the concept of flux linkages of the consider in terms of the current flow in I passing through it, then this current produces a total flux phi. The flux phi link each of the terms, number of terms, we can say that each of n terms link the total flux phi. Now the flux linkage is defined as the produce of numbers of turns and the flux phi linking them. The flux linking equal to number of turns into flux linking each of them. The flux link is equal to n phi. So the self inductance is basically defined as a ratio of the total flux linkage to the current which them link. So denoted by of inductance L equal to n phi upon I. Here L is the self inductance. So the self inductance we represent of H, right? And n number of turns, phi total flux, and I current passes through each terms with amperes. The unit of current is ampere. The unit of inductance is the Henry H. So 1 H equal to 1 Weber prati ampere. So now we will derive the equation of magnetic inductance for following cases. This is the self inductance. First of all, the self inductance, when the switch is closed, the current does not immediately reach its maximum value. So Faraday law is basically defined of the flux linkage with the coil. With the coil changes, the voltage is induced in it. The magnetic of this induced voltage is proportional to the rate of changes of flux linkage. So V proportional d over dt n phi, right? So the Faraday's law is dependent of V equal to minus k n d phi over dt. So this is the Faraday law. So in which case we describe the effects in a circuit. This is the switch. So switch in conditions on and off. So off conditions is no current flow, and on condition flow of this circuit current. So B is the magnetic flux densities and I is the current, and this is the battery we connected off with respect to resistance and flow of the current. So this is self inductance. We define of the in reach its maximum value, in which case of the switch is on condition and off conditions. So self inductance we noted of H equal to N phi upon I. So this is the self inductance EMF, in which case this is the basically magnetic flux densities we analysis of the, and again this is the Lenz law EMF, current will be increases, and Lenz law EMF with current will decreases. So in which case a current in the coil produce a magnetic field directed towards the left. This is the A, and if the current increases, the increasing flux created an induced EMF of the polarity shown figure B. This is the B figure, and the polarity of induced EMF reverse if the current decreases. So figure in C. This is the reverse current. This is the increasing, and this is the field directed toward the left. This is the in the coil produces in magnetic field. So this is the self inductance, in which case we define of the in Faraday law. So Faraday law we will case V proportional to d over dt n phi, right? So V equal to minus k n d phi over dt. In terms of current we can say, so V equal to minus k n d phi over dt into di over dt. So equal to कितना हो जाएगा? That will, so V equal to minus k n d phi over di into di over dt. So d phi over dt equal to, so d phi over dt, d phi over di equal to L. This is the self inductance, right? So the potential V voltage of self inductance V equal to minus k NL di over dt volt, right? Hence here n is the numbers of turns coil and L is the inductance, and V is the voltage of self inductance, and di over dt rate of change of the current. This is the self inductance we define of the coil, in which case this is the dotted of coil we current flow in increasing and decreasing case. So this is the coil V equal to mu 0 Ni. So permittivity of equal to minus k n d phi over dt with respect to flux density B. So equal to minus k n d mu 0 n I a upon dt equal to minus k n mu 0 n a di over dt equal to minus k, calculation of this equation nba upon I di over dt. So permittivity of equal to minus k n phi b di over dt equal to minus k L di over, this is a complete equation of inductance. So self inductance L equal to n phi over I. Inductance of a solenoid. So basically solenoid is generally in case of magnetic flux densities Bu, the magnetic flux densities is given by the magnetic flux through each turns of, so phi B equal to Ba mu 0 n upon small l I a. Therefore, the inductance L equal to n phi B upon I equal to mu 0 n square A upon L. This so that L depends on the geometry of the object. So, total flux is obtained by the cross section area of the solenoid, right? This is the A. So here this equations complete equations of inductance of a solenoid. Here L is the inductance of the solenoid, mu 0 is the permeability of free space. So mu 0 is value of mu 0 इक्वल टू कितना होता है 4 पाई इंटू 10 टू पावर माइनस के 7 हेनरी प्रति मीटर. And n numbers of turns of coil, a area cross section area of the solenoid meter square, and L is the length. The inductance unit is generally Henry. So permeability equal to minus L di over dt. So L equal to n phi v upon I. So L equal to v upon ampere per second equal to ohms per meter equal to Henrys. This is the increasing cases and this is the decreasing case with respect to flux densities and cross sections area in the coil of L. Inductance. Energy in a coil P equal to VI. So L di over dt equal to I. So in which case this is a PE, this is a power energy in the inductor and power energy in the capacitors. So power energy inductor U equal to 1 by 2 Li square, and capacitor cases U equal to 1 by 2 CV square, right? Energy density in a coil, the power energy in a inductor U equal to 1 by 2 Li square. So L equal to n phi v upon I equal to nba upon I equal to n mu 0 ni upon L and a upon I. So I equal to BL upon mu 0 n. So U equal to 1 by 2 n mu 0 n upon L A. So BL upon mu 0 n square equal to 1 by 2 mu 0 B square AL. So mu equal to 1 by 2 mu 0 B square. So U equal to 1 by 2 permeability of 0 E square. This is the density in a coil of the energy. Mutual inductance. Basically mutual inductance consider two coil, right? Coil is the A and coil is the B. Place very close to each other. Let N1, this is the number of turns N1 and numbers of turns N2. So N1 be the number of turns of coil A and N2 is the numbers of turns coil B, right? This is shown in figure. Here all the flux produced by coil A will link with coil B. This is the link. So if the flux through coil A is changes, then this will induce voltage in coil A. This is called a self inductance, right? And the changes in the flux also induce voltage in coil B, right? So B, which is called is the mutual inductance, right? This is the mutual inductance. The voltage of mutual inductance in coil B is given by, this is the V2. Suppose V2 equal to कितना हो जाएगा माइनस के N2 d phi 12 upon dt. Here now the inductance is defined as the ratio of flux linkage to the current N phi upon I. So we can write the mutual inductance M12 equal to कितना हो जाएगा N2 phi 12 upon I. तो M equal to कितना हो जाएगा N2 and phi upon I, right? So here we proportional to, this is the numbers of turns and flux N2 phi 12 equal to proportional to I, and N2 phi 2 equal to M12 upon, in which case we have use of the current flow in I. So N2 phi 12 equal to M12 and I, and N2 phi 12 proportional to I. So we solve these equations. The permeability of E1 equal to minus k M21 di2 upon dt. This is the complete of mutual inductance. Here in which case mutual inductance with numbers of turns N1, N2 and the current flow in cross total length of the in coil. So B1 equal to mu 0 N1 upon Li. So phi 12 equal to B1A mu 0 N1 upon Li1A. So permeability of E2 equal to minus k N2 d phi 21 upon dt equal to minus k N2 d म्यू जीरो एन वन अपॉन एल आई वन ए अपॉन डी टी इक्वल टू माइनस के म्यू जीरो एन वन एन टू एल ए डी आई ओवर डी टी। तो एम ट्वेल्व इक्वल टू म्यू जीरो एन वन एन टू अपॉन एल ए इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा, टोटल म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस एम। एल सी सर्किट in which case we have this a basic circuit diagram, in which case LC circuit, right? So LC circuit, this is the conductor, this is the inductance. After switch is closed, this is switch closed, so changes Q on C, this is Q0 0 Q minus 0, and this is current I in L, this is the, so Kirchhoff लूप इक्वेशंस Q अपॉन C माइनस के L डी आई ओवर डी टी इक्वल टू जीरो। तो डी स्क्वायर Q अपॉन टी टी स्क्वायर प्लस के Q अपॉन एल सी इक्वल टू जीरो। Q इक्वल टू Q मैक्सिमम्स कॉस ओमेगा टी प्लस के फाइव, ओमेगा इक्वल टू रूट पर वन अपॉन एल सी, तो आई टी इक्वल टू जीरो टू जीरो, दिस इज द Q टी इक्वल टू जीरो इक्वल टू Q मैक्सिमम, दिस इज द एल सी सर्किट, राइट, इन विच केस flow of the circuit diagram. Thank you watching this video.